To open a NinjaTrader account, follow these steps. Visit the NinjaTrader website. Go to the official NinjaTrader website. Click on Create Account or Sign Up on the homepage. Choose account type. Select the type of account you wish to open, a demo account for practice or a live trading account. For live trading, you will need to select a supported brokerage to link with NinjaTrader. Register for an account. Provide your personal information, including full name, email address, phone number, address and other required details. Choose a username and password for your NinjaTrader account. Verification. Verify your email address by clicking on the verification link sent to your inbox. If you open a live trading account, you may need to submit additional documents for KYC verification. This can include a government-issued ID and proof of address. Download NinjaTrader. After account registration, download the NinjaTrader platform from the website. It is available for both Windows and Mac. Log in and start trading. Once the platform is installed, log in using your credentials. If opening a live account, connect your broker for real-time trading.